So that is a really delicious snack or meal I have quite regularly. It's a yogurty, fruity, nutty, seedy bowl of goodness. But I just wanted to give you some quick advice on how to get the most health benefits out of your nuts. And I don't mean those kind of nuts. So nuts are full of nutrients, but they also have anti-nutrients, which basically protect them in their environment. What we want to do is break those down so we can digest them more easily and get the most nutrients into our system. The simple way of doing that is soaking the nuts. What I do is, because I have mixed nuts, I soak them overnight in a small bowl of water in the fridge, take them out in the morning, rinse them off, shove them into my healthy bowl of goodness. Different nuts take different times, so because I do it overnight, that gives all of those nuts the chance to have those anti-nutrients broken down. And like I said, the softening of the nuts makes them easier to digest, and you're going to get all of those nutrients into your system more easily. Another way of doing that is roasting your nuts, which is what I'm currently doing here in Penang.